Okay. Got them done. Cleaned them up, painted them, they look pretty neat. I'll have to freaking get some video of pulling freaking Outlaw out next weekend. Show you the front one. Ooh, fancy license plate. I'm fucking pimping. Anyways, there's the front one. Pretty cool. Here's my freaking pimpin' automobile amigo Mexican fucking 4-wheel drive roller skate. But yeah, keep an eye on the channel and subscribe, rate, whatever. That's about it. Yeah, smiley face on the phone. Ooh, look, I have a reflection in the mirror. Oh, other than that, that's about it. It's dark. Holy shit. I'm scared. Oh. Alright, I'll catch you later. See you guys later. See you, bye.